welcome back to Iconic Mentor. Start doing this to supercharge your ASP.NET Core Web APIs. 17 Actionable Tips. 1. Ensure that you follow clean code practices and build a decoupled system. This will help create a systematic code base for the long run and improve productivity. 2. Caching is crucial for supercharging your API's performance. However, be careful with cache invalidation, which is often tricky. For larger systems with more than one instance of the application running, distributed caching with Redis is often the way to go. 3. Implement pagination to limit API responses. 4. Delegate long-running tasks to run in the background rather than having them as a bottleneck in the main thread. 5. Cancellation tokens help release the resource load that is no longer needed. 6. For high-traffic apps, a distributed architecture is the perfect choice. 7. Implement rate limiting to protect your API from DDoS attacks. 8. Often bottlenecks arise due to long-running queries. Ensure that you profile the queries and optimize them to achieve maximum throughput. 9. Use load balancers to handle enormous traffic. 10. Use HTTP client wisely. It might lead to socket exhaustion. Use HTTP client factory instead. 11. Implement response compression to optimize the payload sent. 12. There is a significant improvement in performance from the latest .NET. 13. Minimize unnecessary dependencies. 14. Use middlewares sparingly, as they can have a visible impact on the request lifecycle. 15. Return only what the client requires. Use separate DTO classes records for this. Do not return your domain entities. 16. Make sure your application handles errors efficiently. 17. Continuous monitoring and benchmarking to identify performance bottlenecks. If you have any additional points, please share them in the comments section.